is leopard gecko tank. Pretty much all in here is all you need to make a leopard gecko tank or any gecko tank. You have a food bowl, but that's for like mealworms. But usually I get crickets. And you need a light, which I have on right now. A water bowl. A heating rock. This is something you can hide in. And during the summer you don't want to have the heating rock on because it gets hot anyways. You want to keep it at like 70 degrees. And you can get bark for it, which you just lay on the ground. In the background, I just got the background. It's optional. That log is where all the crickets hide. I don't know if you can see any. But, yeah.